where you got fresh air from the beach and the salt air. You can taste the ocean almost at Oceanside. Handcrafted and Homegrown is Oceanside. It's been me, my brother, my family, and then our extended family now, my Oceansiders.
After that, we got a queso cheese, no jam.
We have our hands and everything, and we're able to handcraft that to make the best possible dishes. Growing up, I remember walking into the restaurant, my mom and dad had it, and remember I was 8, 9 years old, kind of bussing tables and having fun and acting like I wore the apron. And in 2010, I got a phone call from my brother. He goes, hey, the restaurant went up for sale. I think I might be able to grab it. We got the place open about 8 months later after a total overhaul and remodel. It's such a blessing to be back in this little gem of a town. The beaches, the coquina rocks that we had, and you know, the people were so neighborly too. Yeah, we have 80 items on our menu, and we truly try to hit that ocean of flavor, ocean of fun. So some of the dishes that are most popular, like our beer batter fish and chips that we use Yingling beer in our batter, or the shrimp and grits. I mean, applewood smoked bacon with caramelized onions and with some heavy cream, and we have a little magic seasoning that's a Parmesan mixture with some garlic and some spices. We are social butterflies. We want everything to be open and easy and clean. A lot of these guidelines that the CDC has put out for the recent COVID-19, we already do in the restaurant business naturally. You know, the extra precautions that we have taken. I have Mama. Mama's my secret weapon when it comes to cleaning. This sanitation and clean, like, we go over and beyond naturally, so this transition has been a lot easier. But for the most part, you know, we absolutely care about making you happy. And if we can make you happy, and we want to try to make everyone else happy. And you know, Mama always told us too, make everyone happy no matter what, never say no. Hey, people like eating food, right? So when we're eating, we're happy. We are Oceanside Beach Bar and Grill. We are handcrafted and homegrown right here in Flagler Beach.